Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Lauren and this is another episode of Summer at Michigan. As summer comes to an end, it's about that time to pack up and head back to campus. Today we're going to be unlocking some campus housing hacks. Dominique, you got the keys?
Of course. My name is Dominique and I'm an RA and I'm going to make your move-in as smooth as possible.
There's so much to tackle before moving in. Where do you even start?
Move-in can be a little bit scary, but it's all about being prepared. There are plenty of checklists online, so you know what to pack.
I personally recommend bringing a cozy blanket, can opener, first aid supplies, sewing kit, multi-tool, headphones, and some disinfectant wipes. What else should I expect on moving day?
You want to do your check-in form online, and you want to print your unloading permit, and then the M leaders will help you unload and move in. Plus, there are so many student employees and staff members here to help you out. Once you move in, explore your residence hall. The different residence halls aren't just a bunch of buildings with dorm rooms. They function as smaller communities.
Explore quiet labs and study rooms.
For common areas to hang out with friends.
If you're getting hungry, check out one of the many cafes or dining halls.
Or make your own food in the community kitchen.
Thank you guys so much for watching, and a huge thank you to Dominique for sharing her helpful tips with us today. I hope move-in goes smoothly for everyone and that you enjoy Welcome Week and Festival. Welcome home, Wolverines.